Good morning. Welcome to Miss Homestead. It's kind of hard for me to speak some words today. I don't know why, but we have a Savage model 750. No, that's not. It's not a 755.
755.
755. I got it correct. But then I thought in my brain, is it really a 755? But I couldn't remember. Made between. There's some articles that say 1948 to 1958 or 1949 to 1958. There's some articles floating around. My dad just chose 1948 to 1958. So it looks like that. This nickname is Streamliner. It has some ducks on the side, some waterfowl. Looks like good water.
How come they call it the Streamliner?
Because the Browning had a hump right here, like a hump that goes like this. And another video, the humpback, I think it was its nickname. But this one, it's flat, goes all the way down. 12 gauge automatic, with a original poly choke. The whole entire barrel moves when it shoots. The whole entire barrel moves.
That's the old Browning design, right?
Yeah.
Savage bought that from Browning.
Mm-hmm.
But they called this one the Streamliner. They made it look a little more streamlined.
Yeah. It was my 12 gauge automatic. This is actually a little shorter than my Escort 20 gauge. That one.
Daddy actually the stock for you.
Yeah. It's actually a little shorter, but I actually think that one's a little shorter because I'm used to shooting long stocks. Let me tell you that. I am. And big calibers, like 270.
All right.
That actually I have not shot yet, but my dad told me that I need to shoot it. But
let's load her up.
I did shoot one shot up 270, but then I quit because it kicked too much, and that was like when I was 7. Yeah, 7.
Let's load her up. See if it'll hit a trap target.
These shells are black.
Yeah, let's use those. Those are the low recoil. Let's see if they'll use them.
Which one were we shooting?
Low recoil earlier. It worked.
Oh my gosh. Those felt like they were like slugs.
We changed the friction ring. Remember how that worked?
Oh, yeah.
As light as it will go, and it's barely making it, but I think we'll try it. We'll try it. But it's on safe.
Yeah. I think that's safe. Something in the
button pushed in?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Push it hard. All the way to click. Push it kind of down and in. Down while you're pushing it in. Did it make it? That ought to be enough.
I feel it going all the way through the whole entire barrel.
It's good.
No, it's not. It's never clicked.
It won't stay? Well, let it back. You got it. You got it.
Literally, my finger, how red it is.
Push it in there.
Because I was like, is it going to click now? Is it going to click now?
Come on, the ducks are coming. Hurry up.
It's not duck season yet. It's not duck season yet, though.
Okay. Good?
Yep.
All right. Yeah, you got it. It's on safe. So let's see if we can get one.
Okay.
Daddy.
Pull. Shoot. Thought my safe was off. Oh, I mean. Pull. This glass is kind of bothering me. Like, the corner of the glasses are kind of like, get out of my way. Pull.
Oh, that got away?
Yeah, it looks like it landed right on that pigeon. Pull. Yeah. Pull. Pull. not ejected.
Okay, let's go one more round.
Pull. I forgot my glasses weren't on, and when it shot, my glasses fell down.
I know, not you.
Pull. Hey, this is not light recoil.
No, those are a little heavier. Can you tell?
No. Pull. Oh shoot. My gun was blocking where it was.
Ready?
Pull. I just put that thing right in front of me like, boom. Yeah. Yeah. There's some pig tracks over there from a big herd of pigs. Maybe one of these times we might show a video of us getting out there at night if we have night vision. Try to get one.
Got Mr. Rusty with you?
Yeah, he's right there laying down.
I see the foot hanging out of the seat. Alright, let's go.
Pull!
Alright.
Pull! Yeah. Let's see about that. Pull! Yeah. The gun's a little heavy, so I'm like in a rush to get it out of my arms so my arms could relax. It is. Pull. You can kind of see it was like my head was kind of shook by it. Yeah. Yeah. Shoot this. It wakes you up in the morning. Pull. Whoop, that was all out.
Didn't hold back.
So I like this gun, but since this gun was a fixer-upper, so that's why we kept on pausing the video after we were done shooting. After it was out of ammo, because the ejector wouldn't eject that last shell out. Yeah, it's not the gun's fault. It's just because we bought it as a fixer-upper. So if someone, either it was broken when the other person bought it, and was like, I'm not going to deal with this gun if it's broken, and just wanted to sell it on Gunbroker or eBay, wherever my dad bought it on. Probably Gunbroker. Yeah. Probably the guy that bought it before him, that guy was probably loving this gun, shooting it until he thought, well, let's just sell this gun. It's a good gun. It's pass it on. And maybe that other person was another guy that liked to mess with guns, see how they worked, took it apart. Yeah, it's a good gun, good big gun.
We had a good time, right? Alright, what do you say then?
Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel make more videos like this and to get ammo and more dog food. Goodbye.